Welcome to Cloud Master. We will discuss variables in today's class. We will see how to use these variables. What is the use of these variables? Let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Okay. So now we have given here the name of the storage account. Let's say you want to ask your user to enter the name of the storage account instead of you give it in the code. So what can we do? This code will create the storage account with this name. It's not asking user to enter the name of the storage account. So let's use variables. So it will ask a user to choose a name for storage account. Let's see how to do that. Variable storage account name. Type equal to string. Description. Please enter the storage account name. That's it. Now we are going to use this variable where we were giving the name to this storage account. So how to use it? Var dot storage account name. Storage account name. Var dot storage account name. Dot storage account name. Okay. Now this is what we have created the code which will ask a user to enter the storage account name. There is one more thing I want to discuss today, which is local. It is also kind of variables, locals, group name equal to app.grp. Now we are going to use this local to give name to the source group and its location. So instead of giving name app-grp, let's keep it a hyphen grp locals dot resource group name, and instead of location dot local dot location, right? Resource group name. Okay. Anywhere we are giving location, we can use that variable, but nowhere else is required. Local dot location. Now let's save it. We are also using depends on. Okay, so this container depends on the storage account. This blob depends upon container. Blob is depending on container. Container depending on the storage account, and the storage account depending on resource group. So Terraform will check if it is creating a resource, it will check if this resource depends on any other resource. If it does, it will create that resource first before it actually creating that particular resource. So let's go ahead and run the command. Enter the value, storage 005. Go to add, 0 to change, and 0 to destroy. Let's run the apply command. Okay, Terraform apply main.tf plan. So it is applying the commands, the instructions which we have saved in this file main.tf plan, right? We ran this command main Terraform plan, and that plan got saved in this file. And now we are running Terraform apply, so it will execute all the commands, instructions which we saved in this file. So let's go ahead and run it. It is working fine so far. Okay. So it completed successfully. It is showing apply complete, resources for added, 0 changed, and 0 destroyed. So let's go to Azure portal and let's see if everything ran successfully. Mm, And do we have the resources on Azure portal? Let's see. Let's go to resource groups. AppGRP, yes, we have this resource group which we just created using Terraform. And within that resource group, yes, we do have a storage account named Terra Storage 005, which we gave. And within that storage account, let's see the containers. Do we have that container? Yes, we have Terra-container as well. And if you remember, we have one text file in this container. So let's see if that got uploaded or not. Yes, it got uploaded, and let's see the content of this file. Sample.txt, edit. This is a sample file, yes. So all commands ran successfully. We saw what are the variables, why do we use them, and how to use them. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe this channel, like this video, Hit the bell icon so you get the notification when I upload my next videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.